Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I actually filmed this original video a minute ago, and I don't even have the products in front of me, so of course I have to restart this intro, so that's amazing. Okay, so now I have the boxes because the products are actually in my bathroom, but we're just gonna deal with the boxes. However, I'm trying a new skincare brand today. Very exciting. Actually, I've tried it and I've been using the products, so I'm actually gonna give updates on how I feel about the products. I don't even remember what I said in the original video, because originally I wasn't gonna post it, but we're here, which I feel like this works out actually better because now I can give you guys like an updated review of the products. However, Bubble, the skincare brand, sent me some new products. I know, Bubble, the skincare brand, not the K-pop adjacent social media app. However, they sent me 3 little products here. We tried all 3. I have thoughts I will tell you in the outro bit. However, we have, what do we have? This is in no specific order because I don't remember what order. Maybe it is in an order. We have the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. We have the Bounce Back Refreshing Toner and the Level Up Balancing Moisturizer. All 3 of these products are super fun. They have a whole thing going on. I think I talk about it in the video. If not, I'll add a clip in later on, but super cool brand. I'm super excited to show it to you guys. I am not being paid for this video, but they did send me these products to review in a video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, my battery's already going on me because I refused to buy a new one, so we're just gonna have to hope for the best. Anyways, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. The Bubble products. They sent me this in a adorable little blue box as well, but I'm currently staring at it. I've repurposed it for the purpose of holding my tiny little origami paper stars, because if I'm not constantly doing something, I combust, and that has become my thing. There's a little thing on the zipper pull here that I am going to finally pull off. It's been sitting there for ages and we're opening it. This is also such a nice bag. It's a very large bag, which I enjoy. I might repurpose it as a pencil case because my current pencil case is this one. Hold on. I can't even pick it up. It's this one. It barely closes because I have so many things in there and not everything even fits. Like, I have a hoard of markers on my desk. So first things first, they have a little envelope. This was actually originally in the box, but of course I took it out because I'm repurposing the box. It says "Open Me" in some aesthetic font. And then this is also what excited me the most. Stickers. I love when companies include stickers. Bubble really got me with this one. They included stickers. That's literally all that's in here too. They put the sticker sheet in an envelope so the stickers stay nice. And I love it because I love stickers. Anyways, there's also this in there. It was not in the envelope like I mentioned. Hello, future of teen face care. Now we're gonna ignore the fact that I'm not a teen, but I know that some of you guys probably are. So it basically just has this little thing inside, has a little routine checklist thing straight out of Notion. It says the products are science-driven and plant-based, clean, gentle, fragrance-free, and sustainable, cruelty-free, and vegan. And then it kind of gives you the steps for morning, which would be cleanse, tone, moisturize, and protect with sunscreen. And then the PM steps or nighttime steps would be cleanse, deep clean once a week, tone, and moisturize. It has this whole thing on the back. We wouldn't waste paper if this wasn't important. Everyone's skin responds differently when introduced to new products, which I'm always saying all the time. That's like something I like preach. So I'm happy that I actually included that on here, because like everyone's skin, you can have the exact same skin as someone else, and really in reality it's not the exact same skin. It's going to react differently to the products. And then it kind of tells you how to add the products to your skincare routine. Obviously this is a first impressions, so I'm not following this, but realistically I would do this. So it says to patch test, add 1 product at a time. We're not doing either of those. And then results are never instant, which is kind of what I have to take into account because I am doing a first impressions, and it says usually takes up to 6 weeks for the full benefits. And then it says in the first 2 to 4 weeks, your skin can purge all the gross stuff in your pores and whatever, which again, something I have to take into account because I am doing a first impressions rather than a full review. So first we have the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. I'm kind of hoping this one is a little bit like the COSRX, what is it? Like the it's not PM, AM Morning Gel Cleanser. I really like that cleanser, and I feel like it would actually be a cleanser like that would actually be a really good addition to like a beginner teen sort of skincare line. So I kind of hope it's like that. Then we have the Bounce Back Refreshing Toner, and then we have the Level Up Balancing Moisturizer, which is open, but only the box is open. So we kind of have a really good variety of skincare steps here. I don't know where to put the bag. So we have a really good variety of stuff here. I'm gonna start with the cleanser, and I'm probably gonna have to go off camera to do this one, but let's just open everything first. It comes in this little bottle. My one concern is it says massage 1 to 2 pumps onto wet skin to create a light foam, rinse well and pat dry, use day and night. However, it does have this weird bottle thing going on here, so I'm almost like, it is a pump. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. Do you guys see this? That's adorable. I love it. I love it. I actually love this packaging a lot because it's a nice sturdy packaging and it has a little pump on the inside. That's adorable. Okay. The boxes are also very aesthetic and cute as well. Very Pinterest. Then we have, which one's next? The toner. I kind of look the same. It says spray 3 to 5 inches from face for an instant skin reset anytime. Oh my God, it's a spray toner. You're kidding me. Oh, and this is adorable. This is so cute, actually. It reminds me of the Glow Recipe one, the watermelon one, but it's clear. I hope it's not as flimsy. It feels pretty good material-wise because my Glow Recipe toner, I dropped it once and it completely broke. So I hope it's not as flimsy. I'm not gonna drop test it though, so we're just gonna have to hope for the best. Then we have the moisturizer right here. And the instructions on this one say after toner, apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin. Use morning and night for soft, hydrated skin. And I do like that because it's kind of like a, what is it? It's like a teen skincare line. It has very easy to use products. So it has like the pumps and the sprays, which I actually am really happy about these because one thing that I've been struggling with recently is keeping a consistent skincare routine because of like personal issues and stuff. So making things, you have to make life easy is what I've learned. And these products look like they're going to make things very easy. Also, this looks like those soap things, like the flower soap that's trending on TikTok right now. It might not be current. I might just be late to the party, but it basically, you pump down on it. It's like one of those. So the products are super fun. I really like the wide variety of like different packagings that are going on. And they're all really easy packagings. Like I said, you have to make things easy. But those are all the products. I'm going to start with the gel cleanser, which means I have to get my face wet first. I might just do this in the bathroom and check in with you guys for like a split second and then wash it off. Let me go wet my face. Realistically, I could spray this on my face, but that's making it too easy. Okay, gotta go fast. My face is already drying. Oh, it's clear. It's very much reminding me of the CosRX one, which I enjoy. Kind of thick and sticky, but we're gonna 2 pumps it into the face. It has a bit of an odd scent, but if I remember correctly, I think the CosRX one might have had an odd scent too. And you kind of get used to it after a couple seconds. So I feel like I need more, but it's like all over my hands. Oh, I'm making a giant mess. I also feel like if you had more water, it would suds up a little bit more. But obviously I'm doing this after running to the bathroom to get water on my face because I'm doing this at my desk and I shouldn't be. My skin looks kind of red on camera, but I know I have my pink color settings all the way up because I enjoy pink. So I'm gonna go wash this off. It's all over my hands though, so that was a horrible idea. I literally left my camera on the entire time I went to wash that off my face. Anyways, I absolutely love this cleanser. I love it. My skin feels very clean and it's a very nice clean, but it doesn't feel super tight, which again, because we're talking about this being like teen skincare, I feel like that's good because especially if you're like me and have really bad skin still now, you use probably the highest strength cleansers you can find because you think it's going to work and it doesn't. But this is a very, it does say, I thought this said gentle cleanser, but it says gel cleanser. But it's still very gentle and I really like that about it. I actually think I might repurchase this. And I don't want to jump the gun and say anything else too soon, but like Bubble might have did something. Okay, so next we're moving on to the toner, which I can do sitting here. Spray 3 to 5 inches from face for an instant skin reset anytime. Does it say anything about the toner? Not really. Yeah, this is just the refreshing toner. So I kind of enjoy that it is a spray because I can use it whenever. I did grab cotton pads, although I don't think I'm gonna need them. So I'm just gonna spray it and then pat it into my face. Not the best mist in the world. It has a bit of a scent when you first spray it on, but it goes away really quickly. And it's not like a bad scent. It kind of smells a little bit like it might have tea tree and a eucalyptus in it. Don't quote me. And I actually really like the toner too. And I always talk about using less waste. And I literally bought these cotton pads for another video. I don't use cotton pads. I have been using them because I bought them, but I don't regularly use cotton pads and I never really have because I don't like how it creates a very large amount of waste. And spray toners kind of eliminate that, so good on me. What is in here? Niacinamide is in here. What are like the, what am I smelling? There's a lot of like root extract things, willow bark extract. I don't know what I'm smelling because the eucalyptus and tea tree aren't in here. It's probably the root extracts, not even gonna lie. The toner is a bit sticky, which concerns me a little bit. But I still kind of like it. It kind of is more like bouncy sticky than anything else, which I think is like a good, decent texture. It feels a bit odd on my lips, but we're gonna move on. Then next, lastly, we have the Level Up Balancing Moisturizer. So this you apply after the toner. I'm kind of hoping this gets rid of the sticky on my face, but it probably won't. The one thing I have to note about these is that there's not like little descriptions of the product on the packaging like other products I've had in the past where it has like a little like blurb about it, which I kind of am okay with that. Less reading for me, you know, because I always read that in the video and I don't have to. It would kind of be nice though. What is in here before I put it on my face? Okay, this one does have the hemp seed oil stuff in it, which I tried other products like that recently, so my skin actually kind of liked it. Evening primrose oil. That sounds so fancy. Yeah, that's actually really fancy. So I'm assuming we just do, I want this on camera because if it is like the flower soaps that are on TikTok, I want this on camera. Oh, it did something. Oh, that was a noise. I don't know if I like that noise. I'm not gonna lie. Let's start with one. It's clear. This doesn't have any scent, so, oh, I like this. This reminds me a lot of a moisturizer I had in the past from, I think it was Bliss, the brand. And you do get quite a bit from one pump. I'm just kind of like spraying it. Oh, I don't know if I like the application. I do think these are fun. I do think they're fun. I think these type of packagings are fun, but I think it would have worked better for a toner where you can like take the cotton pad. I know I just talked about waste, but like you can take the cotton pad and like squirt and it works that way. So I feel like it's kind of hard to control how much you get out. And now I can't get any, oh, got the product out. So it comes out kind of like that. And I feel like I am using way too much. I kind of enjoy this moisturizer though. Like, I wish I could get this in a pump bottle. And like by pump, I mean like a pump like the cleanser. I really liked the pump on the cleanser. The cleanser itself kind of reminds me of a gentler, not as thick version of a cleanser I had once from Benton that was supposed to come with a pump, but didn't. Like it was set up to come with a pump and like you screw the pump on and then there was no pump and I was too lazy to buy a pump. So I just I think my one gripe as well is that this type of packaging can get really messy really easily. And that's why I prefer this type of packaging with like a toner because you can kind of just scoop up the remaining skincare. And realistically, I could like do this. Yeah, realistically, I could just to gather it. How do I feel about, oh, a little thick, but I feel like I used a lot of this moisturizer, so I'm not gonna complain about it. I like it though. It doesn't feel like if I rub at my face, a bunch of like little rubber cement particles are gonna fall off. I've talked about that before, and that's like the only way I can describe it, but it doesn't feel like icky, like thick and like it needs to peel off my face. Feels actually very nice. I actually really like that. So my thing with these products, and I wanna say this before I put on my makeup and to finish this video because I don't wanna forget. My thing with these products is, while they're made for like teenage skincare, one thing I've been saying a lot with skincare lately is it's nice, but I don't think I would buy it on my own if I was sent it like I was sent these products, or I would repurchase it if I was the one to buy it. And it's kind of been like that since, I would say since 2019, just because I didn't go out of my way to purchase a ton of stuff. In 2020, just because I wasn't going out as much, I didn't really see the need to. And I feel like I was really getting into a rut with like beauty products and just beauty, anything in general, especially looking at how horrid the beauty community was last year. However, these products are fun and easy. And I think that's what we need. I think that is what we need. Even me as like a college student, I enjoy these. They're simple, they're easy, they're fine to, listen, I like these products a lot, especially as someone who still kind of has teen skin going into young adulthood. I still have a lot of skin issues. I'm excited to use these. I'm hoping I will mention these in a favorites video. However, I absolutely love these products. I love that they sent me full sizes as well because I do intend on using these a ton. I do intend on using the stickers wherever I put those. And I very much enjoyed these products. They match and they're cute and they're summery and they're fun. I think Bubble did something. I really think Bubble did something here because as somebody who needs these type of products, not only for the skin concerns, but also because I've just been so, lazy isn't the right word. I've been going through things to the point where doing my skincare is just, it feels like a chore more than anything else. However, I would be tempted to buy the other products in their skincare lines because they have a whole little pamphlet here. There has to be other products, like I guess I have the cleanser, I have the toner, and it does say they have another toner, the Break Even toner, because this is the Bounce Back toner. And then for moisturize, they have the Slam Dunk or Level Up moisturizers. This is the Level Up moisturizer. And then they do say protect sunscreen with at least SPF 30, so it doesn't sound like they have a sunscreen, but I can find another sunscreen. And then again, it's for PM, it has the gel cleanser, and then for the deep clean, there it says Come Clean Detoxifying Clay Mask. I love clay masks, so we're gonna have to try that. And then the tone and the moisturize is the same, so it does sound like there's other products from this brand. It has been a minute since they sent me these, so there could be more products that just weren't printed on there. And I think these products are getting me out of my skincare rut. I'm gonna say it. My skin feels so nice, and I enjoy these products a lot. I think that Bubble did something, and you know what? I'm here for it. I don't use Instagram anymore, I need to. But if I did, I'd follow them on Instagram. And that's saying something. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Long time coming. I filmed this video, the original part of this video, ages ago. And it took so long for me to even get around to editing it because I was having so much computer troubles. Now I have a new computer, so that's not really an issue. But I was having so many computer troubles. I was swamped with school, and I just never got around to editing it. So I was like, okay, let me just trash the video, whatever. But I decided to bring it back, circle back around, because I did like the footage, as well as I know Bubble may or may not have some stuff coming up. So I was like, let me just post this video real quick. Anyways, some updates on how I feel about each of the products. Again, I don't have them physically in my hands right now because they're in my bathroom and I don't want to grab them. But starting with the gel cleanser, I really like this cleanser. It's a really easy cleanser to use. I think I mentioned that in the video because it has a pump. However, I don't know if it's my favorite cleanser. I feel like it's a little bit too mild for my skin type. I have combination dehydrated, acne prone, oily skin. It's a really horrible combination is the best way I can put it for my skin. And I feel like it's just a little bit too mild, which would be really good for people with like okay-ish skin or people who are just getting into skincare. So like really good teen skincare, which I know is kind of their whole gimmick. Personally, I think it would have been a bit too mild for me as a teen because my skin really hasn't changed since I was a teen. I still have the worst skin in the world, but I do think it's a good skincare. I think it's a really good morning skincare where you don't need something super intense, but it's still a good cleanser. Next, we have the Bounce Back Refreshing Toner. Updated opinions on that. I love this. Like, just even looking past the fact that it's so easy to use and convenient, I love how I can just like spritz it on and then like pat it onto my face. I've been using like 3 layers of it and it's not giving me any sort of issues. This has actually been my daily toner. I've been using it as a daily toner. I love it. I don't need to give any more opinions on it because that is that. I love it. Bubble, you outdid yourself. Then we have the Level Up Balancing Moisturizer. This little guy, I haven't been using as much just because I don't use as much moisturizer in the summer months. It gets disgustingly hot and sweaty in Texas, so I haven't really been using moisturizer. I've more so been trying to remove any moisture from my face because it's disgusting and oily. At night though, it's nice. Not my favorite. I don't think I'd go out and purchase it myself, but it's a cute little concept, cute little moisturizer. If you're getting a bunch of stuff from the brand, I wouldn't say it sucks. So those are my final thoughts on the products. Updated thoughts. I think it's been over 2 weeks and they say in the little card to like try the products for 2 weeks. So in the end, we ended up doing that anyways. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure to give me a like down below as well as subscribe for more and click the little notification bell to be notified when I upload new ones. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below I think there's a bubble emoji, like actual bubbles. If not, the whale, because I got Genshin on the brain and the whale makes sense in multiple contexts. My battery has shut off of me while filming this outro about 5 different times, so we're done. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope everyone had or is having a super lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!